So you have successfully treated your acne. Now what? You're left with these particular nasty scars on your face. What can you do about it, and are these scars actually permanent? Hi, I'm Dr. Ingky, and if you're feeling stuck fixing your uneven skin, this is a particular video for you. However, before I continue with this video, we realize that most of you are not subscribers to the channel. So if you can do a little bit of favor for me, just click the subscribe button. It will help push more videos like this to someone like yourself so that we can help more people all around the world. Good day, I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and in this particular video, we'll be talking about the different acne scars and how do you actually treat them. Now, before you jump into any treatment for scars, before you visit any clinics or any salons, knowing and understanding the type of acne scars is very important because different scars have different treatment options. First up, not all scars are created equal. There are typically two types of scars. There's the atrophic scars and hypertrophic scars. Atrophic scars typically have three types. There is boxcar scars, which are the typical large, deep scars, which you can see from a mile away. The second one is called rolling scars. They're actually smooth scars, which you can't really tell unless you are actually facing a particular light, and then you'll be able to see that uneven skin. And the third one is ice pick scars. Very small scars, but really deep scars. And occasionally, they are confused with open pores. Next, we have the hypertrophic scars. And these are the scars which are not sunken, but they are raised. And sometimes they're often mistaken for keloidal scars. So now that you know that there are four types of acne scars, so let's do a deep dive on each individual scars, why they form, and how do you actually treat them. Before I continue with this video, I just want to get a gauge how many of you are currently undergoing treatment for your acne scars. The first is boxcar scars. These are typically craters with sharp edges, and they typically occur around the jawline or around the cheeks. And these scars are typically caused by tremendous damage to the skin, either because of big acne or because someone has actually pinched your acne. And the reason why they're deep and big is because of a loss of collagen. Your body is unable to create sufficient collagen to cover up the scars. For these type of scars, the best way is actually a method known as subcision, whereby it's a specialized needle that looks like a blade that goes under the skin and it destroys the scar tissue from beneath. By destroying the scar tissues from beneath, now there's a small gap and collagen is able to then grow within the gap, hence reducing your boxcar scars. Now you can pair the subcision treatment with fractional lasers or fractional radiotherapy, which is used to trigger collagen growth. You can also opt for medium strength peels like trichloroacetic acid peels, otherwise known as TCA peels, because these TCA peels don't only exfoliate the skin, but trigger collagen growth as well. The second type of scars are rolling scars. These scars look like waves, rolls, and these are typically caused by scar tissues pulling the skin down, giving you that unnatural look. For rolling scars, the treatment of choice is definitely subcision. If you were to do any sort of chemical peels or lasers, you're not going to see any results because the scar tissue, the bands underneath the skin, are still there. The third type of scars, ice pick scars. So these are the scars that are typically confused with open pores. And believe it or not, even though they are small, these are actually the toughest scars to treat. It's because the opening of the scars are so small, you're unable to gauge how deep the scars are. And if you were to do any sort of lasers or radiofrequency, they tend to not yield any results. So the gold standard to ice pick scars is to use TCA peel, which is a medium strength peel. Your doctor will typically take the acid using a toothpick or an orange stick and then dot on your individual scars. The healing process is typically anywhere between 7 to 14 days long, and after that your ice pick scars will look smaller and lesser. Now the fourth type of scar, hypertrophic scars. Now these are the scars that are raised from your skin, and these are actually caused by overgrowth of collagen. So the treatment for these type of scars is an injection of corticosteroids, and my favorite is an injection of a mix of corticosteroids and 5-fluorouracil. A combination of these two injections will help flatten the scar and remove the excess collagen from your skin. You could also opt for silicone patches or silicone gels to be applied on the scar, and that actually helps soften the scar. So end of the day, understanding your scar is most important before you start any treatment, because as you can tell, every different scars have different treatments to do. And if you're currently suffering from acne scars and you think just using skincare will actually reduce your scars, you are wrong. So in conclusion, seek treatment for your acne scars as soon as possible because the earlier you start, the better the results. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this particular video, do like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of scars that you're currently suffering from. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor. And always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed.